got because on my good months, I'm bringing in, I have like 3 clients a day. On a $10,000 month, a little bit of vegetable glycerin on there, but with your mom, her skin is very, very moisturized. So we found out we're gonna take the cups and you're gonna try to put them on her at the same time. So, and when you put them on her, you gotta shake it.
Just gonna go in there.
You gotta shake this.
Yeah, that's what I told myself. Let me do the
Let me tell you, this is where you're gonna make your money. And if you look at it now, look. And so what I'm gonna start doing?
She looks like she thick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay.
So we're gonna look up on the back right here, and see right here where you have. Let's look at this one. These are gonna go at the bottom. So you see this one right here? How many does this one have?
6. So
6?
we will find the 6th one.
So you're gonna find the 6th one, and I believe it will be this one right here. Do you see that one right there? And this is our conductor.
Is it warm or cold?
It's cold.
It's cold. You can get a candle warmer. I like torturing my people.
Okay.
You can get a candle warmer
Okay.
and warm it. You're gonna come in. First, you want to warm her up. So to warm up, you want to go in a circle
Okay.
to get it warm. And you hear the buzzing. The buzzing noise is using the sound to pop the fat cells up under the dermis. Okay,
can't do
there
that.
you go. There you go. Okay, you getting it. You getting it.
Yeah.
Hit right here and hit right here too. See right here?
And you do this for 15 minutes.
Yes, you're gonna do this for 15. Circle to warm up, yep. Okay, come down on the side. And make sure you're getting everything. And relax. So you don't have to rush, just do it slow, take your time. And not only that, you're gonna wear yourself out.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't wanna be worn out because you still at only 15, well no, you're at 45 minutes in the service right now. Because we did the laser lipo pads, then now we getting this fat.